I wonder what kind of results I'll get if I air dry my hair. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I am showing y'all what my results look like when I air dry my hair. Air drying sounds like an absolutely fantastic option because you just wash your hair, you throw in your stylers, and then you're done. There's no big long diffusing process. You just wander around your life letting your hair air dry. And there can be a lot of benefits to air drying. Some people actually find that they get more definition and less frizz when they air dry, which is fantastic. And if your hair is particularly damaged by heat and you are really struggling with heat damage, avoiding heat altogether by air drying can be a fantastic option for you. So why don't we go ahead and jump right into me washing my hair so y'all can see how I go about the process of air drying.
Hello again. Here we are over my tub. Why, yes, I do wash my hair upside down every single time I wash my hair. I actually find that it helps give me some semblance of volume, especially on days that I air dry. But seriously, this is just the easiest way to film. I am able to show you everything I need to show you without a very difficult, complicated setup. All right, going in with the Bounce Curl Clarifying Shampoo. I chose this lineup of products because I got really fantastic results with this line. I love this line. It works really well for me. I was looking back at all of my one brand wash days, and you guys really seem to like these results the best. I will say that this line of products really makes my hair shiny. They also smell absolutely fantastic, which is awesome. So I'm just really taking my time here, giving my scalp a very good scrub with that shampoo so that I am squeaky clean for this air drying video. Yay! Wow, I am such a goof. Sorry about that. Now I am just very thoroughly rinsing this out. I decided not to cut out quite so much of the washing process for this video so that you can really get an idea of the amount of time I spend rinsing my hair, scrubbing my scalp, that sort of thing. Now I'm going in with the cream conditioner from, you guessed it, Bounce Curl. And I find this conditioner to feel a little bit sticky, almost slimy, which is kind of cool. It's a very different texture from any of the other conditioners that I own. And I'm just starting to work that into my hair. I glazed it over, and I had a gigantic knot in my hair this day. I had put my hair up to go for a run, and it had kind of slipped out. And so the ends were very tangled together. And so I very gently spent some time finger detangling and brushing through with this fantastic brush from the Perfect Hair Care. Seriously, I am hardcore addicted to this brush. It is just so helpful. Never pulls on my hair, never tears it. It's fantastic. I really find that when my hair is particularly tangled, that brushing it when there's conditioner in my hair is the most gentle way possible to remove all those tangles. Dry finger detangling kind of hurts more. This is the least painful way to detangle for me. All right, so now I've got the water in my hair. Put some more water in my hair after I'm finished finger detangling, and I am just doing a really good squish to condish. I am really making sure to put in some work here to ensure that this air drying process goes well. I am thoroughly hydrating my hair by taking these few extra minutes to just squish and pulse in this conditioner. Now, it's not that I'm actually squeezing the water into my hair shaft. What I'm actually doing is I like to think of this as swishing mouthwash around in your mouth. I have water in my hair and I have conditioner in my hair, and I'm swishing the water and conditioner into my hair to make sure that every single hair strand gets some of that mixture, and it gives your hair time to absorb the water and conditioner, therefore hydrating your hair. All right, now I rinse that out with really cold water, and I chose to skip a leave-in on this day, thinking that it would help my hair air dry more quickly. And my hair was feeling particularly hydrated, so I decided to skip the leave-in. And now I'm just smoothing those front clumps like I do in order to get my part going. Smoothing everything down in the front. I raked everything off the back of my head so nothing is stuck. And now I'm just going to start situating those curl clumps by doing some more squishing and pulsing. I'm taking just a little bit of water out of my hair by doing this, and I kind of stood up and shook the hair off the back of my head really good, and you could see that kind of broke up my curl clumps. I think if I did this again, I might go ahead and use a leave-in so that my curl clumps kind of stay together better when I stand up and shake them off the back of my head. All right, now I'm going in with my teaspoon measurer. I was so proud of myself for remembering, and I'm taking 1 teaspoon of product, and I'm going to apply that to my hair. It's the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. I really like this gel because it has a lot of protein, but it really is a light to medium hold, and the fragrance, I'm like stuttering. I'm so excited about how good the fragrance is in this gel. It's an absolutely delightful smell. So I squished and pulsed that into my hair a little bit, and now I decided to take 1 more teaspoon. I usually take about 4 teaspoons of this stuff, I think. But this is the first time I'm like actually measuring this particular product with the teaspoon measurer. So I'm taking 1 more teaspoon, and I'm really applying that on the back of my hair. And as you can see, I'm really reaching all the way around in the back, making sure that I've got some product applied back there. And I like to kind of swing my head around. I really feel like it helps the curl clumps start coming together the way they need to come together. It also keeps them from getting stuck. All right, are y'all getting bored yet? I told y'all I wasn't going to cut most of this out. Y'all are saints for watching all of that. Okay, now I am just going to take the towel off of my head. I've been plopping for about 20 minutes here. And I'm going to just gently squeeze out some of the excess water, really hunting for a spot on the towel here that is dry, and yeah, just going to kind of arrange and scrunch my hair one more time to give it the best possible opportunity in order to dry well. Shake everything off the back of my head and stand up straight, and yeah, this is how I'm gonna finish air drying my hair. All right, let's see how this goes.
All right, it has been a total of 4 hours. And I'm actually kind of shocked that my hair is dry because it's very rainy today. But here's what I think. It's rainy. It is in the 30s, which is very cold for where I live. And I have the heater cranked on. So I think all of those factors come in together. Low dew points, heater cranked on, is what helped my hair go ahead and air dry fairly quickly. There is no cast, but I'm going to scrunch it out and fluff my roots so that we can get the full effect of what my hair looks like, thoroughly air dried. All right, here we go. This just helps everything kind of loosen up and start to look a little bit better. Wow. All right, and now I'm going to flip my part the other direction and kind of fluff everything away from my face. I'm gonna get up real close and personal. Ooh, focus, come now. There we go. All right, and here we go. This is my hair, air dried. Is it the worst hair day I've ever had? No, I'm actually pretty shocked. This looks literally the best it's ever looked when I've air dried it. But I don't have as much curl enhancement or volume as I would normally. I feel like my hair is a little bit stringier than it normally is. I'll go ahead and turn around and show you the back. And that is it for this wash day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Air drying is an absolutely fantastic option, but it's something I just choose not to do because it took 4 hours out of my day with wet hair. If I can diffuse my hair for 30 minutes and be 90% dry, I'm much happier with that than spending 4 hours with wet hair waiting on my hair to dry. And you know what? It behooves you to go ahead and give this a try because you never know. It may work really well for you and your hair. It just personally doesn't work fantastic for me because I have incredibly fine hair that is very easily weighed down, and it just honestly doesn't have the muscles to retain its shape with the weight of the water. And that was even using a really good protein heavy styler. So anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!